In this video, we're going to cover the first 5 tools inside your toolbar. The first of which is the multiple choice option. Simply click the icon or drag and drop it into the survey. This will cause an edit box to appear on the page where you can then add your first question. Simply add in a question, followed by the first choice, and then the second choice. Continue adding all the choices that you have for your question into the boxes below. Once you're finished with this, you can choose whether or not to enable qualification criteria by clicking the box here. You can then set that criteria by clicking the box here. Please refer to our video on creating criteria to learn more about this feature. You can also choose whether or not this is a mandatory question, and you can also add multiple selections if you want people to be able to fill in more than one answer. Once you're done creating your question, simply hit Save Changes and close. You should now see your question in your survey. The next item in our toolbox is the drop-down question. Simply grab the icon, drag it into your survey. Immediately a pop-up box will appear where you can put in your information. Simply add your question and your choices. Once you've added in your choices, you can once again choose whether or not to enable qualification criteria and whether or not this question will be mandatory. Once you're done, simply hit Save and close. You'll now see a drop-down in your survey. Clicking on the bar will show you the 2 options for that particular question. The next item in our toolbox is a single text box. Simply grab that icon, again drag it into your survey. Once again, a pop-up box will appear where you can ask your question. Again, you can choose whether or not this is mandatory, and then simply hit Save Changes. Once again, the new question will appear in your survey where the user can add their own answer. The next tool in our toolbox is a multi-text box. Simply grab that icon, drag it again into the survey, and the pop-up box will appear. Once again, ask your question. Once you're done, you can again choose if this is mandatory and hit Save Changes. The new multi-text box will appear on your survey. The next tool in the toolbox is the comment box. Once again, simply drag and drop. Again, the pop-up box will appear where you can ask your question. You can once again choose whether or not this is mandatory and hit Save Changes. You'll now see your question in the survey with a comment box below. To learn about the rest of the tools in your toolbar, please refer to the next video.